Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Judy. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. You keep me going. Okay, I want to show you something that I did to my room yesterday. I wanted to show you what I did in my room. I did that little corner. So I'll start with the top shelf. I put some bags here that I use to do my daily errands. This I mainly use it in summer, and that's at the edge. I love those bags. They're cute, yeah? They're very beautiful, right? I love them. So on the next shelf, I have some basic perfumes that I use. I have this pink sugar. It's very nice, I love it. And this here, it's not a brand, it's called Pink Passion. It's very nice. Then here I have this Cloudy Soet. I have this Fancy Mural. I have this Bonita and this body mists. And then here I have a picture of me, of course. I have a candle holder, two of them. One is glass, it goes all the way to the base. It's pretty nice. And then I have this golden one. I love it. And then here I have two candles. This has citronella scent, and this is fresh musk scent. I love this. It smells very good. Actually, it broke before I started using it, but I love it. It smells very, very good. It makes the room smells good. It's very, very nice. I love it. And then here I have my books. Like you know, I love reading books. My books. Currently I'm reading this, the 5 AM Club. It's very nice. And then here I have bags. This bag I use it when I'm running errands with the children because it's big and spacious. I can put water and snacks here easily. And this bag I got it from Prague. When I'm going for official things, meetings, appointments, doing some paperwork, stuff like this, I go with this bag. It's kind of spacious and it fits the stuff I can carry that I need. So I love it. This is my favorite bag so far. I love it. It's very nice. Here I have some warm sandals for the house for winter. I know, right? They're unicorns, but they're cute and I couldn't resist to buy them, and I love them. And at the base here I have some sandals that I'm using to run errands. Now it's still summer, it's not very cold, so I'm going with sandals most times. I can quickly access them when I want to go out. So I have these three sandals. I use them when I'm going to the supermarket, to take my son to school, to do some shopping, basically stuff like that. So I have them there. And that's the look of it. That is it all. It's very pretty. I also have those shelves at the corner, but I'm planning to remove that one and that one, and I leave only that one. I had these 3 before. I had some books there and some candles, but now that I have that, I'm going to remove that one above there and this. Then I'm also thinking of doing a bigger artwork here above the bed. Maybe it will make the place look more nicer. And this is my Stanley Cup that came. Actually, it's pretty huge. I didn't expect it to be this huge. but I like it. This is my updated working space. You can see here is my university certificate. I did Bachelor of Science, Food Nutrition and Dietetics. I'm a nutritionist by profession. Here is my tripod that I use when I'm recording my videos. And this is my working space. Typically working space, I'm trying to edit some videos now. This is where I do all the editing. Here I write my content. And here I have a very beautiful flower. I love it. It's very nice. I'm a girl, I love flowers. And here is my mouse and my phone and my glasses. And here I also have this. I stuck it next to the monitor and I can put here my reminders and stuff like this. So this is my updated working area. It's pretty cool, right? I love it. It's very nice. I like it because it's comfortable here. I can easily work here. I like it. On the first big drawer, I have some more notebooks, erasers, cards, pens, cables, calculator. On this side, I know it's a mess. I have my phone cases. Here I have my camera bag, a small tripod. It's flexible, you can put it on the cart when you're going for shopping. And then I have a hard drive here. And more cables. Here I have my iPad and a stand when I'm working with my iPad, and also I have headphones here. And I have another cable here, a data cable here. That's it. Oh, Starlink is finally here. Okay, that's the base. Oh, Starlink is right up there. I'm very happy with it because it works very nice. And the one next to it it's our old network provider, but it used to be very bad when it was raining or when it was very hot. It was not working, but Starlink, it's very nice and perfect. I love it. It works very good even if it's hot or raining, not like the other one. It works perfect even if it's raining like hell. That's one thing I love about it. You can rely on its speed anytime also. I love it. It's very nice.